Hey butterflies, it's Leek. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angelic, but you can call me Leek, aka Head Butterfly. In this video, I recreated this fox eye trend that I've been seeing doing around. This specific look, I did look at Leslie Marie 1213 for this, and she is so gorgeous. I live for her videos. Like, I'm gonna link it down below. But I did follow her eyes, and then for the face, I tried to follow this like TikTok type of video thing, but this look is like really trendy right now, so I wanted to try like a trendy little makeup look, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. By the way, if you're already watching this video, please subscribe. My birthday is in 5 days. My birthday is May 26th. I'm a Gemini, and I really want to hit 800 subscribers by then. We're 5 days away. Hopefully this video goes up today. I would really appreciate it if you guys could get me there by just subscribing. It takes nothing. You could even mute me if you have to, but just subscribe to me. And all right, without further ado, if you want to see how I got this trendy fox eye makeup look, keep on watching. Right, so this is like TikTok makeup, but the main part of this look is the eyes. As y'all see, the fox eye look. I want to really try. I see people using tape. Whatever, we're just gonna try to make them even. I thought you use eyeliner, but you can use eyeshadow, an orangey color down first. So do it as if you would do eyeliner. We'll clean it up either way, but it's like that. So then you put the brown on top. Add some black into it so that it looks even more foxy. And black is gonna be the very like lowest one. Trying to smudge it. This is harder than it looks. Okay, I'm gonna bring it in some. Now I'm just adding some more of that orangey shade. Trying to just create that foxy look. Oh no. Like that first orange color is like all the way gone. So I'm trying to like bring it back. Mine looks more like that. Okay. Think that's as good as it's gonna get. And then I've seen people do like a little bit of orange here in the on the front and then cut a crease. So let's try that. I'm gonna go here with it. Just like that. And blend it out. Now I'm going to do the other eye really quick, and we're going to get on to the face. Or no, I'm going to do the other eye really quick, and then we'll do the inner corners. Pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. Alright, y'all. For this inner corner eyeliner, I'm scared because I don't know what kind to use. So I have, if I can find it, hold up. So I have this Marc Jacobs liquid gel liner, which is super sharp. Or I could actually use a liquid pen, which I feel like would be easier because I could just stamp it on. And I would rather start small because this is really big and liquidy. So I think I'm going to use the Stila one. Lord Jesus. Alright, y'all. This is my first time ever trying this, so. Oh, I messed up. Oh, my eye is watering. My eye is like, hell no. Okay, hold up. Let me look at the picture. Let's make it connect. I can't do this. I need to sit this. I can't hold a mirror and do eyeliner, so. Switching angles, y'all. But y'all get it, like. That is way too down. Okay. Let's try one more time. So it needs to go out like that. Why is this so hard? I wonder if my right side will be easier. I'm gonna try my right side real quick. I'm literally trembling like. Like, do you do this with your eye open or with it closed? Because, oh my god, that looks freaking terrible. It's not bad, but it's, oh, if I do it from this angle, I'm using the Marc Jacobs one because oh, that don't look bad. Okay, hold up. But it has like this tiniest little bit where I messed up. So let me go in very carefully. I'm scared. I think that's as good as it's gonna, definitely as good as it's gonna get on that side, hopefully. Let's try it on the other side in that same position, if that's how I can get it to be. Okay. Went a little too far, but okay, it's a little easier with that method. Oh, it's running everywhere. I can't breathe. I'm getting anxiety. You know what? I might just get a really small like detail brush and just clean this up with concealer because this side is not good. So I'm gonna let it dry and I'm gonna clean it up with concealer. Alright, so I did clean it up so you can see a little bit of it, but now we're gonna get onto the face and I'm gonna play the TikTok that I'm gonna be basing my face off of. I'm gonna be basing my face off. I'm gonna play the TikTok that I'm going to be basing my face off of. You guys have probably heard it, but I'm gonna play it.
If you wear makeup, watch. Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first, then after
Alright, we're gonna moisturize first, like she said. Moisturizer that I ran out of my Drunk Elephant, so I've been using this Cuddly Vinyl Source one. It's really thick. It's just a little bit more like liquidy. It's not as thick as the Drunk Elephant one, and I really like that one. But we're gonna just do as she said. And all I had on my face to begin with was my serum, because my serum just helps me not be so dry. So moisturizer it is.
Then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me. If you
Okay, this is the part I was scared of. We're gonna do translucent powder all over my face. I don't normally use translucent, but we're gonna use the powder that I do use, which is the Huda Beauty one in Blondie.
And I just lightly dab it all over my face, not too much.
I'm gonna lightly dab it all over my face.
Then take some setting spray. It could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one.
Okay, setting spray. That'll be the Morphe one.
After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first.
I'm gonna go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Feels very interesting. I think foundation is next, but supposedly this makes the application better, so.
Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens and how amazing your fucking makeup is gonna look. And it's
alright, y'all, now we're gonna go on to foundation. I'm gonna go with my beauty blender. Foundation, as always, I'm gonna use the Pat McGrath one because this one already just applies so great. So we're gonna see how it applies. Okay. This always applies skin-like, but I will say it does look a little different. Or I'm just hoping it looks different, but it does look different to me. Let me know down below in the comments if you feel like this technique, just by watching me, if you feel like this technique looks good. You can do it now, you can wait until you guys see the finished look, but for me, I mean, I feel like it looks good. I'm gonna do the rest of my face as normal and we'll see the end result. Alright, yeah, it's looking the same. Oh, I look like a freaking ghost. Okay, this is why we love contour, people. This is why I love contour, because without it I'd be a mess. My contour looks a little muddy on top of this foundation. Concealer applied perfectly, but okay, now I'm worried about this because usually blends a lot better. I don't mind like fixing stuff, but I would rather not have to fix it, you know, like. Alright, to complete off the eye look, I'm gonna do my waterline right now too. I hate how watery my eyes get. This is always a task. Okay. Alright, you guys, so this is the look completed. You can see, I think it came together really well. It's just something that I'm not really like used to, but I feel like it looks really good. As you can see, I feel like it came together honestly, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys recreate it and see that it's not that hard. This part was the hardest part, as you guys saw, but it all came together with the lashes and everything. I did try a matte lip first, but then something about it was throwing me off. I think because the entire look is already so matte, but you can't even really see my highlighter. I think because my entire face is already so matte, I felt like the lips was just too much, so I added some gloss and I think it looks really cute. But make sure you thumbs up this video, comment down below, and subscribe for some more Leak in Your Life. My birthday is in 5 days. Get me to 800 subscribers, please. Thank you. Bye.